Travel smarter and stress-free with the 20 essential travel gadgets on Amazon. From space-saving organizers and smart tech tools to must-have accessories that boost comfort and security, these travel essentials are perfect for every trip. Whether you're flying, road tripping, or exploring abroad, this list is packed with real value. Stick around till the end. The final picks are next level, game-changing travel upgrades you'll never travel without again. Number 1. Tocelffe Silicone Travel Bottles. The Tocelffe silicone travel bottles are versatile, leak-proof containers perfect for organizing toiletries or home products like lotions and cleaners. Made from soft, food-grade silicone, they're easy to squeeze and refill without mess. The clear design helps you see contents instantly, while the secure caps prevent spills. Great for bathroom shelves or packing for vacations, these bottles combine practicality with flexibility. Economical and durable, they're ideal for anyone wanting a simple, organized solution. Number 2. BAGAIL Packing Cubes Set. The BAGAIL Packing Cubes set helps keep closets, shelves, or drawers orderly by separating items into neat compartments. Lightweight yet sturdy, they make sorting clothes or accessories simple and efficient. With multiple cube sizes included, you can customize storage for shirts, pants, or seasonal wardrobe essentials. Their breathable mesh panels allow visibility and airflow. Whether you're organizing a dresser or prepping luggage for a trip, this set brings organization to any space without clutter or stress. Number 3. Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale. The Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale is a compact, accurate tool that ensures you never worry about overweight bags again. Its clear digital readout and ergonomic grip make weighing luggage quick and easy. Great for home or travel preparation, it helps you stay within airline weight limits and avoid fees. Lightweight and battery operated, it fits easily in a drawer or travel bag. Practical and affordable, this scale brings peace of mind for every packing session. Number 4. Trtl Neck Travel Pillow. The Trtl Neck Travel Pillow offers ergonomic support that makes long trips and daily commutes more comfortable. Its soft fleece exterior and internal support structure cradle your neck to reduce strain and improve rest. Compact and adjustable, it wraps snugly without bulk, perfect for carrying in a backpack. Beyond travel, it's great for relaxing at home while reading or watching TV. This pillow combines comfort and convenience without high cost, making comfort accessible wherever you go. Number 5. LOVEVOOK 40L Travel Backpack. The LOVEVOOK 40L Travel Backpack blends storage capacity with everyday convenience. Designed with multiple compartments, it keeps clothes, gadgets, and accessories neatly organized. Durable materials withstand daily use, while padded straps ensure comfort even when fully loaded. Though designed for travel, this backpack is also ideal for home storage. Think gear, linens, or seasonal decor items. A budget-friendly carry-all that looks great and performs reliably, it's a versatile piece for anyone seeking smart storage solutions. Number 6. Therabody TheraGun Mini. The Therabody TheraGun Mini delivers powerful percussive therapy in a compact, portable form. This massage device helps relieve muscle tension and fatigue, making it perfect for post-workout relaxation or stress relief after long days. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and fits neatly into drawers or home gym stations. Rechargeable and whisper quiet, it's ideal for use anywhere, from living rooms to bedrooms. A thoughtful, affordable tool for comfort and recovery in everyday life. Number 7. COIDEA Waterproof Shoe Bags. The COIDEA waterproof shoe bags protect footwear and organize your space with ease. Constructed from robust, water-resistant fabric, they safeguard shoes from dust, moisture, and scuffs. Perfect for closets, entryways, or luggage. Each bag zips securely and features a handle for easy carrying. Whether you're storing seasonal shoes at home or packing for a trip, these bags keep your favorite pairs clean and ready to wear. Affordable and functional, they add an organizational boost wherever needed. Number 8. Temdan 3-in-1 Travel Charging Cable. The Temdan 3-in-1 travel charging cable keeps cords tidy and accessible at home or on the go. With 3 connectors in one cable, USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB, it supports a wide range of devices without cluttering your nightstand or desk. Durable construction resists tangles and wear, while fast charging keeps gadgets ready when you need them. Practical, affordable, and compact, this cable simplifies charging routines and helps keep spaces neat without sacrificing performance. Number 9. HOTOR Hanging Toiletry Bag. The HOTOR Hanging Toiletry Bag offers smart organization for toiletries, skincare, or grooming products. Multiple compartments and clear pockets keep items visible and easy to grab. The sturdy hook allows you to hang it in bathrooms, closets, or even behind doors, saving counter space and keeping clutter at bay. Water-resistant material makes cleanup simple, perfect for travel and home use alike. It turns everyday routines into efficient, stress-free experiences while adding budget-friendly convenience to your space. Number 10. TRANOMOS Silicone Bottle Covers. The TRANOMOS silicone bottle covers protect bottles and keep storage neat with a flexible, protective sleeve. These covers fit a variety of bottle sizes, helping prevent spills and scratches in cabinets, shelves, or gym bags. Soft silicone grip surfaces to prevent sliding, and the bright colors help you identify contents quickly. Easy to clean and reusable, they're an affordable way to upgrade organization and protection for everyday essentials, adding subtle style to your storage setup. Number 11. Veken Packing Cubes Organizer. The Veken Packing Cubes Organizer set is a superior way to sort clothes and accessories while minimizing space. Breathable mesh on each cube allows you to see contents easily, while durable fabric keeps items secure. Ideal for closets, drawers, or suitcases, this set simplifies organization and streamlines daily routines. Each cube can store different categories: shirts, socks, pants, making clutter disappear. Practical, affordable, and versatile, it's perfect for anyone who loves neat, functional spaces. Number 12. Imodium Anti-Diarrheal Softgels. Imodium Anti-Diarrheal Softgels provide fast, effective relief for digestive upset whenever you need it. Small and portable, they're perfect for travel kits, bathroom cabinets, or purses. Simply take as directed at the first sign of symptoms to restore comfort quickly. While not a decor item, they're an essential household product that keeps everyday life running smoothly. Affordable and dependable, these soft gels offer relief and peace of mind, making them a must-have staple in every home medicine cabinet. Number 13. Carhartt Travel Toiletry Kit. The Carhartt Travel Toiletry Kit brings rugged durability and organization to your bathroom storage or travel setup. Made with tough fabric and sturdy zippers, it holds grooming essentials, cosmetics, and personal items neatly. Its rectangular shape allows it to stand upright on counters or shelves, maximizing space. Whether you're organizing your home bathroom or packing for a getaway, this kit keeps essentials accessible and visible. Practical, affordable, and long-lasting, it streamlines storage with classic style. Number 14. Vlando Travel Jewelry Case. The Vlando Travel Jewelry Case protects and organizes favorite rings, necklaces, and earrings. Soft interior compartments prevent scratches and tangles, while the compact design fits easily into drawers or luggage. A secure snap closure keeps everything in place, and multiple sections make storage simple. Whether you're storing jewelry at home or taking pieces on the road, this case brings order to your collection. A stylish, inexpensive accessory that keeps precious pieces neat and ready for wear. Number 15. LISEN Airplane Phone Holder. The LISEN Airplane Phone Holder keeps your device securely positioned for hands-free viewing during flights or sitting at home. Its adjustable strap fits most headrests and seats, creating a built-in stand for streaming, calls, or video chats. Lightweight and portable, it's a perfect addition to bedrooms, living rooms, or travel bags. Easy to install and remove, this phone holder enhances comfort and convenience without clutter, making screen time more enjoyable wherever you are. Number 16. BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. The BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes reduce bulk and keep clothing neatly organized in closets, drawers, or suitcases. Simply place garments inside, zip to compress, and enjoy the extra space you create. The durable material resists wear, and the breathable mesh makes contents visible at a glance. Whether you're organizing home wardrobes or prepping for trips, these cubes streamline storage and make daily routines more efficient. Affordable and practical, they help make clutter feel manageable and tidy. Number 17. BAGSMART Hanging Makeup Travel Bag. The BAGSMART Hanging Makeup Travel Bag keeps cosmetics, brushes, and beauty essentials organized and visible. Multiple compartments, elastic holders, and zippered pockets help separate items, making it easy to find what you need. The built-in hook lets you hang it in bathrooms or closets to free up counter space. Water-resistant material is easy to clean, protecting both bag and products. A stylish, budget-friendly organizer that brings convenience to daily grooming or travel routines. Number 18. OlarHike Compression Packing Cubes Set. The OlarHike Compression Packing Cubes set makes neat storage simple and space-saving. These cubes help flatten clothing and accessories, giving you more room in closets or luggage. Breathable mesh tops let you see contents, while strong zippers ensure secure closure. Perfect for keeping winter sweaters, workout gear, or seasonal items sorted, they make organizing easier and more efficient. Functional and affordable, this set keeps spaces tidy and helps you find items quickly whenever you need them. Number 19. Skyconser Silicone Bottle Covers. The Skyconser silicone bottle covers offer protective, slip-resistant storage for bottles and containers around the home. Soft yet sturdy, they help prevent spills, scratches, and breakage in cabinets or coolers. Easy to clean and reusable, they keep kitchen or bathroom shelves looking neat and organized. With vibrant color options, they also add a fun visual touch to storage spaces. Practical and inexpensive, these covers bring both protection and personality to your home. Number 20. BAGSMART Clear TSA Toiletry Bags. The BAGSMART Clear TSA toiletry bags make organization and travel a breeze. Transparent design lets you see contents easily, ideal for bathrooms, closets, or luggage. Durable and water-resistant, they keep products secure and prevent spills from spreading. Multiple sizes help sort lotions, makeup, or grooming essentials neatly. Perfect for home storage or trips, these bags simplify routines while meeting travel security requirements. Stylish, affordable, and functional, they're a must-have storage solution. That wraps up our list of 20 essential travel gadgets on Amazon. From smart packing organizers to must-have travel accessories, these gadgets make every trip easier, safer, and more comfortable. Don't forget to check the links and grab your favorites before your next adventure.